Hello, good evening.
Hello,
Good evening. Okay, can you
good
hear
evening.
me? Can you hear me clearly?
Yes,
Okay, that's great. Can you see me clearly?
yes,
Okay, I guess it's all now clear. Okay, so I will introduce myself first. My name is Teacher Har, and I've been teaching English online over a year ago. And now, how about you, ma'am? What is your name?
mm, my name is Sang.
Is it Sang?
Zhang.
Zhang. Okay. Hello,
Mm,
Zhang. Nice to meet you and welcome to my class. Okay. So now, Zhang, I'm gonna ask you this first question. What do you do in your free time? Or what do you usually do when you have a free time?
I usually sleep in my free time.
Hmm. So that is your hobbies?
Yes,
Okay, wow, that's a nice hobbies. I guess me too. If I have a free time, I'll go to sleep all day if I have a day off. Okay. So now let's be discussing tonight about what do you do in your free time. So now in this lesson, Zhang, this will be improve your ability to talk about free time activities. So let's go here now. Listen and repeat this one. Hold on, I will delete this one first. Okay. Okay, so now Zhang, please read this one for me.
read
Yes, Zhang, please.
every day, once a month, or twice a week,
Mm-hmm.
every 5 minutes, 3 times a day, once an hour.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Zhang. Okay, so now can you please give me some of example or make a sentence of this word every day?
Every day I teach yoga at 6 a.m.
Wow, you're a yoga instructor, Zhang.
Yes.
Wow, that's nice. Okay, how about the second word?
Once a month I go to the beach uh, on holiday.
Okay, thank you for that. And this one, please.
Mm, Twice a week I go out with my friend.
Oh, okay. Thank you for that. And this one again, please. Every
Every 5 minutes I remind myself zip breathe deeply.
hmm. Okay. And how about this word? 3 times a day.
3 times a day I clean my teeth.
Wow. Me only 2 times a day. I don't have much time. Okay, this one,
Uh,
Zhang.
Once an hour. I don't know.
Okay, maybe okay, I will give you my example for this. Uh, I am going to take a snack once an hour. Maybe like that.
Take a snack. So
Snack.
much.
Snack. Okay, so let's move on here, Zhang. There you go. Okay, I will delete these underline first. Okay, so we are here now to our vocabulary. Vocabulary words again, and these word, please read.
Classmate. On my own.
Mhm.
College.
Colleague.
College.
Okay.
Teammate.
Mhm.
Alone. Best friend. Roommate.
Mhm.
By myself.
Okay, thank you so much for that. So now, Zhang, can you give me an example sentence like the previous page? You can give me some three of example of these three of the words. It's up to you if which words do you want to give an example.
Hmm. Hmm. She is my classmate. Uh, I like staying at home alone.
Mm,
Okay.
yes, okay.
Hmm.
Last example. One more.
Hmm. I I do my homework by myself.
Okay, thank you for that. Nice example. Okay, so now Zhang, we have here awards and we have to use these vocabulary words to answer or to complete this sentence here. Okay, let's go here to number one first. People play sports with their blank. You can choose your
It's
answer here is
people play sport with their classmates.
okay. With their classmate. Okay, chat. Number two, I read books blank.
I read book by myself.
By myself. Okay, good job. How about the number three? People study with their
With people study with their college.
okay. People study with their colleague. Okay. Oh,
College.
okay. Oh, it's colleague. There's no S here. Okay. So now number four. People live with their.
People with their roommate.
Okay, hold on. I will. Okay, there you go. Okay, people live with their roommate.
Roommate.
Okay, thank you. And number 5, people like spending time with their
With I didn't see. I didn't see
Okay,
the
I
new
will
words.
move here. Above.
People like spending time with best friend.
Friend, best friend, you mean?
Mm.
Okay. And I will put these words on there. Okay. Here is best friend. Okay. So now, how about the
People
last number? People work with their
work with their teammate.
okay. Work with their teammate. Okay, good job. Nice answer, Zhang. Okay, so now let's move on here to our next page. Okay, but before that, I will delete these words again. Okay, so now what do you see in this first picture, Zhang? Can you give me your can you give me your analysis of this picture, or can you give me here a summary of this picture?
I don't understand what you say.
Oh, okay. Okay, for example, her doing or her doing a paint, or she is painting. Okay, then this one, this next picture, what do you think is this?
Make the cake.
Okay, they are okay. I guess they are baking. Yeah.
The
Okay.
cake.
Baking. Yeah. How about the third picture? I guess you know this.
She doing yoga.
Yoga. Okay. She is doing a yoga. Okay. So how about the next picture?
He is playing the saxophone.
Okay, good job. Thank you for that. Okay, so now Zhang, do you ever play, or do you been play a saxophone? Do you
What?
try to play a saxophone?
No,
No.
I
Okay.
didn't.
Me, I tried this one once. Only once when I was young. Yeah. Okay. So how about this one?
They are doing exercise.
This one. Play board games. They
Play
are
board. They are playing board game.
okay. They
Board
are
game.
playing board games. Okay. How about here, Zhang?
They are doing exercise.
Okay. They are doing exercise. And this one, Zhang?
He is reading book.
He is reading a book.
A book.
Yeah. And this one?
They are playing sports.
They are playing. Okay, we must say they are playing soccer. Yeah, they are playing soccer because soccer is already a sport. So let's be here a specific here. So they are playing a soccer. Okay. So now let's move on here. We have here to practice. Okay. Now for example, okay. Oh, we are done for this page. We can skip here. Okay. We have a dialogue here, Zhang. So can we please read this one? Okay. So I will be the teacher and you will be the Pong. Now I will be the first one to read. What do you do in your free time, Pong?
I have a lot. I have a lot of hobbies. I paint, read, and do yoga. But my favorite thing to do is bake cakes.
Okay. Who do you usually bake with?
I usually bake with my roommate, Nicole. She really into it too.
Okay. She's really into it too. How often do you do it?
About 3 or 4 times a week.
Okay. Do you play sports in your free time?
No, I don't really like sports, but I exercise at the gym a few times a week.
What else do you do in your free time?
I also I also play the piano. I love music.
Okay, okay. So now, Zhang, I will ask you here, what is Pong's favorite hobby?
Phương favorite hobby is do yoga,
Mm,
bake cake.
bake cakes.
Mm,
And what else? Let's go back here so that you can... Okay, there you go.
see, paint, read, and do yoga.
And also, okay, and also bake a cake. Okay, number 2, who does Pong do her favorite hobby with? Who does Pong do her favorite hobby with? Her?
Her best friend, her
Mm-hmm.
best friend,
Yes,
Con.
that's okay.
Mm,
And her roommate.
okay, roommate.
Okay. Pong do her favorite hobby with her roommate. Okay. So number 3,
Mm,
how often does Pong exercise at the gym?
Phương Phương đã exercise at the gym few times a week.
Okay. Pong does exercise at the gym few times a week. Good job for that. Okay. So now let's do here to complete the sentence. Okay. Number 1, Zhang, what blank do you do in your free time? What do you think is the correct word to put here in the sentence?
Mm,
Do. Okay,
do.
very good job. Do. Hold on. Okay. Number 2, I blank a lot of hobbies.
I have. I
I
have.
have. Okay. I have a lot of hobbies. Number 3, I blank sports.
I play sport.
Okay. Is it A or B?
B.
Letter B. I play sports. Now, number 4, who do you usually do it? Blank.
With.
With. Okay. Good job. It's with. Mm. Okay, number 5. Number 5 was blank favorite thing to do is exercise.
My favorite thing to do is exercise.
Okay, it's mine. Okay, good job. I guess, Zhang, you already know the English. Okay, my favorite thing to do is exercise. Number 6, Zhang, blank, often do you do it?
How often?
How often do you do it? Number 7, I
How
usually blank with my sister.
I usually bake with my sister.
Is it A or C?
A.
Okay,
A.
letter A. Oh, I write the letter A instead of the word. Okay, bake. Number 8, the last question. I do it blank myself.
I do it by.
Okay, I do it by myself. Okay, I guess we are done to this book, Zhang, and good job. I guess you already know the English well. And thank
Thank
you for
you.
your participation, Zhang. Okay, I have here, because I am interested about the yoga, I have here some question about the yoga. Is it okay? Is it
Yes.
okay? Can I ask some questions about yoga?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So my first question, Zhang, was how does yoga contribute to mental being well or mental well-being? How does yoga contribute to mental well-being?
Men. What? I cannot hear the new word.
Okay. That's fine. Okay. Mental
Mental.
well-being.
Well,
Yeah.
what mean?
How does yoga contribute? How does yoga contribute to mental well-being? Which means, what are the benefits to do a yoga? What are the benefits that we can
Men.
get to do a yoga?
Uh, they become stronger. I don't know.
It's fine. Maybe I guess it's become the stress reliever, right? Stress reliever. Number 1, I guess, correct me if I'm wrong because you are the yoga instructor. Okay. We relieve the, okay, this is a stress, stress reliever. Is it right? The stress reliever when you do a yoga.
I don't know. I don't know this new word.
Okay. So here's I have a last question here. Okay. What are the physical benefits of practicing yoga regularly. I will type here. What are hold on, I have my question here. Benefits. Sorry, I'm medyo slowly typing here. Thank you, Lily. Okay, what are the physical benefits of practicing yoga regularly? Do you want me to translate this one to you?
I don't know how to say.
Okay, maybe how do you call this? Okay. I have one person knows that he do a yoga 2 times a week, and she said that that is her stress reliever, that her is help her body to, what do you call this about this one, help her body to construct something like that, or to fix their mind. And because this is so you can get this peace of mind at least 1 hour or 2 hours. Is that right? Yeah. Okay. Well, when do you usually do yoga, Zhang? When do you usually do a yoga? When?
When
Yeah.
do you
Usually.
do yoga?
Yes. When you usually do yoga. Is it 2 times a week or 3 times a week, in the evening or in the afternoon or in the morning?
Every morning.
Before breakfast or after the breakfast? Before breakfast or after the breakfast?
Before breakfast.
Oh, okay,
Before.
I see. Now I have a little idea about yoga. Okay, sometimes I will try that one. Okay, so now, Zhang, I guess we are done to our discussion for tonight. And thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for participating in our discussion. And you did a great job, and I guess you already know the English. You can understand well the English, but there's some misconception of this, your pronunciation or your understanding of this English. So we can keep practicing this one next time soon if you want. We can improve this. We can improve your listening skills, especially your understanding skills, so that's so easy for you, I know. So let's keep practice for that soon. Okay, Zhang?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Zhang, for your time. Nice to meet you here. Okay, say goodbye for now, Zhang. Okay, good night, Zhang.
Yes.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you so much.
Goodbye.